Ikaw muna.
Cute! Napalambit ko to to. Umay ka daw mahal, 350,000 won. Tara, back out.
Lasang matcha.
Yung... Morning, everyone. Grabe, kinakabahan ako for today's video. I have an event today. Actually, it's an event open for everyone naman, open for public. So, hindi naman siya like exclusive. But, I got invited to visit a booth and syempre kabado ako kasi I'm gonna meet a brand and all. So, ayun. Iniisip ko kung pupunta pa ako. Nahiya. Let's go. Okay. Morning. Gonna get ready. And that's it. Alam mo, sarap ng tulog ko sa loft bed na to, in fairness. It's really good. Like, go. Ta-da! Welcome to my makalat house. Ang galit ng CR. Anong klaseng vlog to? Antok na antok si Te. What's this? Hello. So, I'm gonna take a bath and I'll see you guys event. Bye. We're here in the train station and we're heading to an event. It's called the Seoul Beauty Week. Wala akong masuot na damit. Like, wala akong pang event na damit. It took me maybe 2 hours to try a lot of clothes, combinations, and wala talaga akong pang event. So, this is what I came up with. Ito na yung pinakamaayos. Hindi ko akalain na wala akong masasuot. So, hiya ako. Okay na to. Finally here in Dongdaemun Design Plaza, DDP. Usually dito ginaganap yung mga big events like Seoul Beauty Week. Last time din, around 2022 ata yun, dito din siya ginawa. Anyway, every year yun. Hi, grabe yung kaba ko kasi hindi ako confident kasi parang hindi ako prepared. Dati before event, bibili ako ng damit. Ngayon parang ano na lang. Grabe, hindi na ako marunong umattend ng event. Grabe, sobrang umiigot yung chan ko sa stress. Although, hindi naman kasi siya parang event. I was just invited to visit a booth. Tapos, yun na. And, wala naman tong anything. I was just invited. Tapos sabi ni Jun, na punta ako kasi syempre Seoul Beauty Week and all. Like any other content creator, syempre parang back to square one ako since moving here. If I want to be a content creator still, I have to attend events like for free. Like, attendan ko lahat ng nag-i-invite sa akin. Kasi piling ko doon ako nag-start. Sabi ni Jun. Sabi ko kanina, ayoko pumunta, hindi ko kaya. Tapos sabi niya, pumunta ka, doon ka nagsimula, magsisimula ka ulit dito para mapansin ka ng brands. And kapag nakita ng brand, nagpupunta ka sa event, hindi ma-invite pa ako sa iba pang events. Guess niyo ba yun? So, yan. Advice to all those who want to be a content creator. I highly suggest to just post content. Wow! Ang dami! Sobrang daming brands. And this one is I Am Warang. Sila yung nag-invite sa atin. Pero nahiya pa akong pumunta. Grabe, ang ganda ng booth nila. For the flower.
Yeah, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
So this is basically like a lip mask. We use the umja as like a main ingredient. So we really.
Glutathione is popular in the Philippines.
Oh, okay, we got it right there. Yeah.
This one filled with passion.
Yeah. But it's like a really mild and comforting plumping. Exactly like a makeup remover. You use it as like a first cleanser. Made out of like a cabbage, eggplant, and guayasulen, which is a blue chamomile. Super soft. Acne like...
No, hi.
Long time no see.
Nice to see you, Angel. Nice to see you again. How's your life in Korea?
I remember applying to your company.
And then what happened? What happened?
I don't think I got rejected, right?
You didn't. You didn't pursue with your application anymore.
Yeah, I didn't pursue the application. Hello. Good evening. Natulog kami. Tapos dapat mag-aayos ako. Ay, wow, ito na ba? We're walking in our neighborhood. It's really quiet here. Medyo malapit to sa bahay natin. Pero, for some reason, parang siyang yun na may mga, ayan o, may mga bars or parang mga cute na mga stores na kinakainan. Ooh, look what we have here. Diba, iniiwan lang nila yung mga table, mattress, mga kung ano-ano. Hala, yung bidet iniwan pa. Diba, iniiwan lang nila. And sometimes, pwede daw yan kunin. Ah, pag may nakasulat, bawal. Kailangan pa naman natin ng mattress at saka ng ano. Turns out, dito kami kakain. It's a cute place. Wow. Meron kaming free Belgian chocolate. Haha. Ay, balik ko. Ay, okay. Same lang pala. Masarap? Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng place. Siya yung may-ari. Siya yung nagluluto. It's a nice experience. And if you like wine night, feeling ko ma-appreciate nyo yun. Kami kasi ni June, hindi kami umiinom. So, hindi kami umorder ng drinks. Anyway, that's it. We're going home. Ay, gumanda.
Di ba mas better?
Hindi ka pala sa pizza. Sorry na hindi kita napagbigyan sa pizza sa room. Alam mo, may mga times na iniisip ko pa rin siya. Lahat meron siya.
대출이야? 아 그냥 그 왜 마이너스 통장 만들어 놓고 안 쓰고 있는 게 하나 있어요. 가족 구성원은 저하고 집사람하고 둘이야. 식이살이에요.
Huh?
Tumigil ka na.
예.
Para saan? Pero bakit dala-dala mo? We're here in our stop. Bloom na. These are, sinasabi nila, early autumn flowers. Hindi ko alam yung totoong name, pero early autumn flowers sa buong gilid ng Han River. It's actually an hour away from Sinchon area, Mapo area. So, nag-taxi na lang kami. Pero, kaya naman siya by train. If not by train, may bus din. So,
Okay, ano ka lang dyan? Aura-aura. Tingin-tingin.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Be into myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark.
영어는 왜 하냐? 영어는 쓰는데.
my mom and I just like traveling a lot. And then my story is too. So I tried to compress the video. Why do you want to start YouTube more than TikTok?
Me?
Yes.
So it's like since I am here, I have no friends. So many times it's so boring.
Oh, so you talk to yourself on camera?
Now you have a friend.
Oh, I'm a shy friend. It's this one.
It looks so good though.
Wow, he's a vlogger now.
See? Want girl? This one? Or yung malaki ba?
Gusto ko nga ito pero wag na, no?
Ito na lang, masarap yung mga minis para marami kang tanong. Pick 10.
You want mint?
Whatever you like.
Okay.
The best one.
The best. Ito, I think recommended is this one.
Apple mango.
Okay.
It's so delicious.
Okay.
Zucchini rabing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome to Korea.
Really?
Wow.
Okay.
Japanese noodles.
Okay, a Filipino bringing Japanese
Pasalubong.
salubong to a Japanese.
Yeah. 안녕하세요. Oh my God, guys, ang ganda dito. In fairness, parang stable. I'm testing this camera. Insta360 bago natin cam. Ang ganda! Sobrang wide! Kita yung buong sangbayan ng Seoul, South Korea. Alam mo kung ano nakakatawa sa lahat? Yung first ever camera na to, yung first ever release meron ako nabasag. Second release, meron ako nabasag ulit nung na-aksidente si Lourdes dito sa Korea. Yung third release, bumili ako for work. Ay, third ba?
Fourth yan.
Yung fourth release meron ako. And finally, during the fifth release, pinadala nila tayo. Grabe, parang kasama ko tong kamerang to sa lahat ng era ng life ko. So, nakakatuwa. Thank you po sa Insta360 for sending this. This video is not sponsored. Pinadala nila to for me to try and post a Reels, Instagram Reels. Pero, sabi ni Jun, try ko daw i-vlog. So, ayan. Guys, ang ganda dito. This one is called Sosula Hill. And ang daming mga quaint cafes, mga nice na stores, local finds, ganun. And mga cute na alleys for picture taking. Ang ganda ng dinadaanan natin, guys. O, tingnan nyo.
Caught in every moment. I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep them glowing. Yeah, I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do.
Hello guys, we're here in Haebangchon area. We are filming yung top 3 kasi na favorite spots ko dito sa Seoul. So abangan nyo. Post ko yun sa Instagram tsaka sa TikTok. Dito kami ngayon sa Yongsan area. Sabi ko sa inyo, this is one of the best neighborhoods to live in Seoul for me. Yung dream ko matirhan na neighborhood. And hindi siya nagbago. Although pawis na pawis kami kakahike dito. Isa to sa mga naging love kong place. Ang nagdala sa akin dito si Justin Hanguk. If hindi nyo pa siya kilala, follow nyo siya for Korea contents. Napakaganda ng videos niya. Siya yung may parang local vibes na mga spots. Grabe po yung hiking kanina pa. Wow, ang ganda dito. It's giving Baguio. Ganito ba Baguio? Ang ganda dito. After this, tinaguri ang hiker na ako talaga. Jamshiman niya. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ano class siya, bebo? Kagawa ka ng sarili mong ganyan. Super daming cafes, tas bars. Parang nag-o-open at around 5 PM pa. So feeling ko, kinikater talaga yung after office hours. Titingnan ako ni Lola. Sabi niya, nakausap nun. Camera po. Kaya pa ba? Noong kami ni Justin Hanguk nagpunta dito, panoorin niyo yung vlog ko. Ibang daan din. Pero pa-hike din yung dinaanan namin. Okay, finally we're here in a really nice vantage point. So from Haebangchon Art Village, naglakad kami papuntang Cliff. Ayan si Cliff. And dito, isa sa mga best sunset in Korea. So ayan, umakit lang kami dyan. This one is Namsan Tower. Pag nagpunta kayo ng autumn, perfect timing 4 to 5 AM. The best sunset is here. Tapos yellow trees are here. Yellow yan lahat. So wala, share lang. And guys, look. One of the most popular cafes dito sa area. Walang katao-tao. Feeling ko may tao dito kapag pahapon. Kasi turik-turik yung araw, guys eh. Pero ayun. So, I highly suggest you visit this place. Siguro pa sunset. Yan. Last stop of the day. One of the best spots here in Yeonnam. Ito yung nasa kadulo-dulo ng Yeonnam. And I think it's one of the best local spots dito. Meron din dito restaurant yung isang culinary class wars na chef. And ang daming mga cafes dito na masarap. Dito tayo nakatira dati. And kahit hindi na ako nakatira dito ngayon, it's still one of the places na feeling ko, lagi ko pa rin pupuntahan. You know, tipong dulo na talaga. Train station na to. Apo, chiki. Kiki. Super sikat to. Mga tindahan ng pantulog. Okay, share lang. Amalfi Lemon. Pietra. A gelateria. Tapos bookstore. I love this place. I love Yeonnam. Lalo na kung nakapag-Korea na kayo a few times na. I think this itinerary is something na you will like. Except, kapag meron kayong mga seniors na kasama. Kasi for sure, hindi nila ma-appreciate to. Kasi puro lakad. Tama ba? Pero kung katulad ni Mamang na nakakalakad-lakad pa talaga tapos mahilig sa mga puno-puno, baka naman. Hello. Today we are going to Seongsu. So naka-forma ako. Forma sa akin. Para masasayaw. Kasi sabi ko, sayang naman yung labas kung di ako magpipicture sa Instagram. Minsan na nga lang mag-post. So excited. Finally, going to buy some kitchen stuff. Finally here in Seongsu. Grabe, sobrang tirik yung araw. Although guys, malamig na yung hangin. Like, pwede na talagang mag-mini cardigan. Pero dahil sa araw, parang, ay, sikat to. Alam ko parang sikat to. Whipped? Anyway, sorry. Mataas lang yung araw, pero malamig na yung hangin. So, technically, parang hindi siya ganun kasakit sa balat. This restaurant. This is where we're gonna eat today. Tried this Chinese restaurant here in Seongsu kasi 5 stars yung review niya. Literal 5 stars sa catch table. And masarap siya guys, masarap siya. Masasabi ko lang kasi, lalo na kung kayo yung katulad namin na hirap maghanap ng kakainan sa mga areas dito sa Korea, really download the catch table app. Malapit na akong maging model nun. Hindi po sponsored, pero lagi ko siya paulit-ulit sinasabi because parang ang hassle-free maghanap ng restaurants doon. And at least may remote waiting list para hindi ka napupunta para pumila, something like that. First stop! Let's go! I'm so excited! Sikat to na kitchenware. Wow, saya! Ang ganda! Ang cute nito! Huwag niyo akong dinadaan sa mga aso talaga. It's so cute. Oh my god. Let's go up. Ay, oh my god. Good boy. Ang cute. Good boy. These are so cute. May smiley pa. Plastic. Gusto ko to. Cute. Pero it's plastic siya, no? Ang matcha ba to? Wala, hindi ako marunong. Ang ganda! Ang cute nito i-display, tol. Sipin mo dun sa bagay siya dun sa may shelves. Pero for what? For the display. Ang cute! Ang ganda! This is a popular brand for kitchenware. Paula at Home ang name niya. It's made in Korea. Aesthetic din pati no kutsara and chopsticks. Ang cute ng mga vase! So, these are their sale racks. Yung maayos na version nito. 19,000 won. Pero for some reason, wala naman ako nakitang defect. I don't know why it's on sale. We done! got 2 items, both on sale. Alam mo, puro dogs talaga yung nabibili. Ang daya nila doon. At least on sale, nakatipid tayo ng 10,000 won. Next up, we have Choo Choo Bear. Feeling ko it's an anik store. Ang cute! Grabe, it's giving 90s. Di ba? Ang cute! Parang nakakatakot to, Lovey. Oh my God, Casper! Sailor Moon? Dito, kilala mo to. Cute. Oh my God, si Papi! Parang unique na ito. Guys, it turns out it's a vintage store. And babe, nabili ako. Sorry guys. Ayoko talaga sana, pero sobrang importante niya. Kasi kamukha niya si Poppy. Tapos vintage siya. Tapos may name tag siya. 1996 siya and all. Anyway, this is the store. Ang cute. Tapos, tapos si Jun naka-record agad. Kasi meron kaming parang app. Ano ko tawag sa app?
Money manager lang.
We have a money manager. So, every time na may ginagastos, nilalagay namin doon sa app. Kita. 10,000 won, Hazel. Well, Jun approves. Kasi guys, kamukha niya si Papi. Kamukha niya si Papi. Tapos lanta na rin siya. Tignan mo, flat na siya. Beanie Baby Original daw na 1996. And ang cute niya. Kailangan natin siyang i-adopt. Welcome to the family. Beside Paula at home, I think affordable na mga pinggan. What are the odds? Hala, parang gusto kong bilan lolo pa. So many. Ang cute mo. Cute. Okay guys, meron din pala dito sa Songsu ng Gangnam Yeonok yung sikat na ribs. Favorite natin Galbi Gym na a lot of you are tagging me pag nandito kayo sa Korea, kumakain kayo. Ayan. Anyway, meron din pala siya here. Oh. Welcome to... Annyeonghaseyo. Wow. Ganda. So nice. Wow. It's a vinyl cafe. It's a cafe with an entrance fee 18,900 won. Included na 1 drink. Ang ganda. Kung nakita nyo guys, super relaxing niya. But, ang mahal naman ng 18,900. Well, kasi, entrance fee siya. So, you can try yung different na, siguro nila, records, no? Ang ganda. Ang laki ng space. Okay guys, finally, here's our next stop. Pili ko dito tayo maraming mabibili. Here in 29cm, one of the most popular places to buy home stuff here in Korea. Tada, let's go. Excited na ako agad. May vibe siya na parang Loft Japan. Kasi may mga stationaries din. Ganda! Daming kitchen stuff. Wait, ikot tayo. Okay. Mga cleaning wipes. Aesthetic cleaning wipes. Check it out. Ay, ang cute ng slippers. Wala. Pati basahan nila aesthetic. Pantulog. Wala, ang cute ng mga shorts. So cute. Cute na mga mug na pair-pair. Just a lot of kitchenware. Ang cute. Salt and pepper. Wala, ang cute. Ay, so nice. Hala, look. Kung nandito si Nana, guys, bibili niya to. Ang cute. Cute. 1 meal agad. Bigat lang. Back home. Look at the sunset, guys. Wow. Sobrang relaxing. Sobrang ganda. Grabe, is this our house? Will you look at this golden hour lighting? Grabe. Wow, guys. here in Hyundai Mall in Sinchon. Finally guys, I have a budget na for kitchen stuff like kitchen utensils. Bibili sana ako ng stainless na pan so I can cook na. Also, parang maybe chopsticks and yan, spoon and fork. Yan, something like this. Alam niyo, nauuso yung gantong design dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Parang most of the stores, ganito yung design. Like, parang may ibang kulay, tapos parang may bilog-bilog na ganyan. Very, very common. I saw this also sa bahay ni Uni Cristel and Suyuk Oppa. Usually sa top floors ng mga malls, even Lotte malls, they have the living department or parang mga appliances and all. So far, wala akong mahanap na gusto ko. Of course, guys, willing naman tayo to invest on nice items. And yun talaga magagamit ko all year round or more than a year, diba? Pero, ewan ko, wala. Wala pa ako nakikita. So, yun. So cute! My happy doggy life! Cute! Oh my God, bibilin to ni Nana. Cute! Expect ko may lock and lock dito.
Di ba dapat nasa Costco tayo bumili?
Grabe naman! 1.2 million. Cute! Lots of furniture stores din dito as well. Daanan lang natin guys and we wanna try. This one is pie hole. Let's go. Since 2012, puro sila pie. Look at that. Banana cheese, maple, chocolate mud pie. Finally, after working for a few hours, we're here in Modern House, another parang lifestyle store. Tada! Welcome to Modern House! Tinitignan ko yung Money Manager app natin. Parang over na tayo sa budget sa food. So I really wanna check out kitchen stuff. Ay, wow, ang ganda dun! Iba-ibang brands magkakasama. Wow! Ganda, guys! Ganda if you're living in Seoul and you're looking for furnitures. I think this is a classic furniture store. Very pang family. Unlike yung Flat Point, it's aesthetic. Very Korean, living alone person. Ang cute! Lamps are so cute. But do we need it? Do we need it? No. Oh my God, ang mahal. 350,000 won. Tara guys. Tara, back out. Oh, so this is Modern House. Welcome. Oh my God! We found it. Last piece na daw. I'm so overwhelmed. Overwhelmed to the highest level. So dark. It's all dark and handsome. Call time! Okay, mag-unbox na tayo kasi gusto na natin magka-dish rack and gusto na natin magluto dito and all. So today, I wanna show you everything that I got. Bibilisan ko na lang. This one is from Modern Home. Okay. Modern House pala. Modern House. Guys, as least alam nyo, nakanlabo talaga ng mata ko. So, hindi ko talaga nakikita. Babasahin ko sana from here. Hinulaan ko lang na yung H is home. Anyway, malabo yung mata ko, guys. Okay, first things first. Pillow. So, if you watched our previous sofa unboxing, di ba si Jun, bumili siya ng parang punda na alpaca. So, naghanap siya ng kapartner na pillow. Ito yun. Catch! Woo! And then, I also have 2 more things from Modern Home. Narealize ko lang dahil mas maliit na yung bahay now and mas, syempre, parang living abroad ka. Parang mas mahigpit ka talaga sa pera and mas matagal kang mag-decide kung ano yung bibilin mong mga bagay-bagay. Kasi nga maliit lang yung bahay mo, so dapat best of the best yung mabibili mo o yung sure kang magagamit mo talaga. So, even then na sobrang daming magandang bagay sa Modern Home. Modern House. Modern House. Ito lang yun na, nabili ko. This one is like a placemat para kapag kakain. May maganda tayong placemat. And also, I've always wanted to have this one, Pyrex, na na sukatan. Yan. Sukatan? Ano ba tawag dito? Beaker? Beaker! Ang cute! Snoopy siya. So, I got this because I know I'll be able to use it for our cooking sessions. Tapos, I also have... Eto guys, nakita nyo na, yung kapatid ni Poppy, grabe, from 1995? 1996? 1996 pa to. Si Poppy is 2004 siya pinanganak. Ito, 1996. So, feeling ko, ito yung nawawalang nanay ni Poppy. I also have 2 items from Paula at Co. Ang cute ng Paula at Co. Ang dami ko rin gusto doon. So, we got the cute poodle on sale. Ang cute! Sobrang cute na ito, guys. Sobrang aesthetic. Maliit na baso. Cute! Ang cute! Bongga ka tayo, bongga. Sige, ihulog mo. Yes. Oh, diba? Sabi sa inyo. Ang cute niya. Diyan siya. And it's on sale. Actually, may mga kapartner yan. Pero, yan yung nakasale. So, hindi ko alam bakit siya nakasale. I think may defect or hindi siya yung perfect. Pero, perfect siya for me. So, wala tayong problema din. Again, this one, nasa sale rack lang din nila. Parang doon tayo bibili lagi. Ang cute! It's my plate. So, it's a matching plate. Okay, so now we have 1 plate, 1 cup, 1 pagsukat, pero yun lang pa din. Last but not the least, we have finally a dish rack. Lagyanan na yung ating mga kawali. Oh.
I was